You have 5 seconds to remember the location of the hidden items. Where is the bell pepper? Where is the onion? Where is the tomato? Please like if you get first 3 answers correct. Where is the carrot? Where is the cucumber? What is missing? If you remember, write in the comments and I will like it.